So here we are, B6. No, this is not B6. What have I done? Alright. And then B7. Those are the outer shells. So I'm so far behind on Donbrothers information. Like everything I learn about the show is like involuntary. I haven't sought out Donbrothers information. Everything I learn about that show is through someone retweeting something or through like my friend Hunter complaining about something in that show. So I don't know what anything is. I think the Donbrothers mecha is like it's the same thing as the Zenkaiger mecha, right? Because it's like a sequel series? I don't know. I know very little about Donbrothers. I know there's like a Pink Birdman. I know there's like a Sonic the Hedgehog Black Ranger character, OC. I know that they can transform into past Sentai heroes, kind of. Like Gokaiger style. I really gotta get caught up on the info regarding Donbrothers. I think I saw like the initial reveal of it and I was just like, okay, I don't need to retain this information. I'm pretty sure Donbrothers is supposed to be like a joke Sentai, like a Car Ranger or something. Because it looks really silly. Oh, basically there's a bike that combines with Juran. No idea how they're gonna bring the character back. Yeah, so there's that. But also they have this new robot thing with big ass ugly green boots, but also combines with a Tokyo. What? Everything I learn about Donbrothers sounds like fanfiction. Is that true? There's a Tokuger like Resha in the show? That can't be right. I'll watch this show if it's like this unhinged. It sounds insane. It sounds like fanfiction. Can confirm the Tokuger comment. What? It doesn't even look finished. Everything about this show sounds horrible. Like, I've seen the one clip of the Black Ranger fighting, and it looks bad. The Donbrother robot isn't even a DX toy. It costs, so it's like a bike figure, I would assume, right? And then it combines? Like, it's just a torso? We'll have to do a Donbrothers deep dive. Maybe later.